Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
Here at the health department, as well as point of care tests across the county, test people that have symptoms, but they also test people without symptoms. There are multiple reasons to get tested. For example, for Department of Health and Environment, from early in April, we have made a conscious decision because our goal is, first of all, to understand the spread of the virus in the community. But we also know that people without symptoms could be infected and spread the virus. As a matter of fact, the 10 to 20% of people without symptoms are likely responsible for 80% of the infections that we see. So capturing that population is very important. When you go to hospitals or health centers to have procedures, quite often they test you whether you have symptoms or not. We have athletes that are tested also whether they have symptoms or not for preventive reasons. And there's been cases where we have an infection or a case, and the contacts are tested with or without symptoms. So the data that we are reporting really contain information about people with symptoms and also people without symptoms. Positivity rate is one of the gating criteria that we talk about. It is really a measure of the transmission of the virus in the community. It is used across the world. The World Health Organization really is recommending to get to below 5% positivity rate for 14 days before reopening. The idea behind that is when you get to that level, you not only mitigated the spread of the virus, you've virtually suppressed it. So they lower the transmission rate, they lower the positivity rate, they lower the fewer the number of new infections that you will see. So that's one way that we look at the data. The other way is to look at our rates, which again is a measure of the level of infection. But whether you have symptoms or not, you can go to jocogov.org/coronavirus and book a spot to get tested. Again, remember that a lot of our infections are really caused by people without symptoms.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.